How to calculate date and time differences in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Monday.com and go to the board where you need to calculate time differences. Add 2 date columns, one for the start date and one for the end date. 3. Click the plus icon and select Formula to create a new column. Enter the formula: days open parenthesis, end date, close parenthesis, comma open parenthesis, start date close parenthesis to calculate the difference in days. 5. If you need hours or minutes, use hours diff open parenthesis, end date close parenthesis comma, open parenthesis, start date close parenthesis. 6. Save your formula and check if it accurately calculates the difference. 7. Now, your board will automatically show time differences between 2 dates.